Welcome to Beach Garage, where I work on sailboats and diesel engines and outboard engines and even Japanese vehicles sometimes out here during my circumnavigation that I'm halfway through with. But I'm spending some time here in the tropics of Asia, loving it, living up such an adventurous lifestyle. And I'll be here for like 10 years, so I'm putting some skin on this one. All right, here's the tip of the day. Your engine won't start on your sailboat. The first thing you do, you check the ground connection from the main ground of the battery system to the engine block. That should be your main grounding point. And that naturally erodes faster than any other connection. So just bang, don't waste time, go straight to that. Once you got that, do a visual on your positives. The positives usually sustain much better. But then the second step, if you're still trying to crank the engine over, before jumping to conclusions, before thinking that your engine is seized, before thinking that your starter is bad, be rational and look at the water level in your batteries. Let me show you. Here we are, we're looking at some batteries on a sailboat. Because of the heat of the engine and the tropical sun, water evaporates fast and it seeps out of every crack, and the batteries especially if you're charging them every day with a controller and then using them to crank over a huge 50 horsepower English built diesel, your batteries are going to lose their steam quick. So that's the number two thing you do when your engine, it seems like you're just not getting, you could really jump to so many conclusions. You can think that it's waterlogged. You can think that the fuel is bad. But here's a big clue. You got to do a little detective thinking. The last time you ran the engine, did everything run smoothly? Did it turn off properly? If so, most likely it's not catastrophic. It's something small, like a connection or the batteries. And so don't jump to conclusions. I've seen guys rebuild an engine before they actually changed their negative terminal. I've seen guys pour thousands of dollars into their boat and rip things apart and go through excruciating pain before just the simplest maintenance procedure. So always start from the most logical, which is always the most simple and the easiest to fix. That's what you got to get into your head as a sailor. Be efficient.